Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can avoid plagiarism when using content generated by ChatGPT. So, if you are a researcher, student, professor, or anyone who is using ChatGPT, it's important to understand why copying and pasting the content directly from ChatGPT is not advisable. So I have already received a comment like whether copying the ChatGPT content directly to my thesis will work. No, it will definitely not going to work. Okay, because ChatGPT is an AI language model that can generate a large amount of unique and original text based on the input it receives. However, the text is generated automatically. There is a risk of accidentally copying context from existing sources, which can result in plagiarism. So, to avoid this, it's important to use plagiarism detection tool. Like we are going to see two tools today, okay, like a papers owl tool and a content detector.ai. So these tools can analyze the text generated by ChatGPT and compare it against the database of previously published works to identify any similarities. And this will also ensure that the content you are using is original or plagiarist. Okay. So what happens? These tools can easily tell you that these content are generated by ChatGPT. Okay. So the first tool which we are going to see is what the papers owl. Okay, so here you can see this is the papers owl tool. Okay, so if you just we are going to just copy and paste the content generated by ChatGPT here, and this tool can also help you to make the content unique. Okay, unique in the sense it can rephrase the content. So let us see. So I have asked ChatGPT like what is data mining. So I'm just going to copy this from here and paste it. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. I have copied and I'm going to paste it here. And once you paste it, you can click the check for plagiarism. Okay, so what happens? Let us see what is happening. So if I click check for plagiarism, so here it is checking for the plagiarism. It will check whether the content is copied from an AI tool or not, like a ChatGPT generated content or not. This will definitely help you to find out whether it is copied. Okay, so let us wait for that. So see, it is frankly telling you that it is an 76.3% similarity and 23.7% original. Okay, and you can also see where are the similarities are there. Okay, and here you can see the all the complete matches from where it is just copied. Even if you wanted to make it unique, you can make it unique. So let us try to click here. So it is processing to make it unique. Okay, so here, but the thing is, like, since it is a paid one, because you are going to make it unique. So if you want, you can make it as a like you can pay and ask for the rework, or else if you wanted to make it unique, then you can use a paraphrasing tool. Okay, paraphrasing tool like a Quillbot, or you can even search for the paraphraser. Okay, paraphraser tool. So I have already explained about various free paraphrasing tool for you, so you can even use that, or else you can even use the free paraphrasing tool. Though you are using a paraphrasing tool, so please go and check again for the plagiarism. This it was advisable. Okay, so let us try to use this is the same content, okay, here in the AI content detector. So this is another tool which will help us to find whether the content is generated by ChatGPT or not. Okay, so content detector.ai. So let me just click analyze. So here you have an analyze. Okay, so it is showing that how artificial is your content. It's unclear. Okay, so the thing is like 65.8 percentage probability is there that you have copied it from the chat gpt. Okay, though there are various tools come up, like a chat gpt will be always there, like there are even more tools which can generate the sentences for you, but there are few more tools which can definitely identify that the content is generated through some ai. Okay, some ai tool, and it's not from you. So it is better to go and check. Don't copy, simply copy and paste it in anywhere. Okay, don't simply copy and paste it, just go and check whether it is proper. And also you can see that I have I told, like I have told the chat gpt that these sentences are plagiarized. Okay, tell me in your own words. So it tried on its own words. So let us just copy this and paste it here and see whether at least this works. Okay, so this is what the rephrased content by chat gpt. So let me check here. Okay, it is checking. Okay, again it is an ai content. Okay, because since it is generated by ChatGPT, these tools can easily find out. Okay, so please avoid copying, simply copying the data from one place to another place, and do it. Please go with a few tools which can find out easily. So Papersall tool is an online platform which offers a wide range of services, but this is a paid tool. Okay, and content detector is an another plagiarism detection tool that uses machine learning algorithms to analyze text and identify the similarities to existing sources. So it can detect plagiarism even if the text has been paraphrased or modified, making it so powerful tool for ensuring the originality of the content. So finally, if you're using a chat GPT to generate a content, make sure to run it through a plagiarism detection tool like Papersowl or Content Detector or AI. There might be even more tools, okay, which I'm not aware of. I can definitely check and help. If you wanted to know more about, that is, if you wanted to know about the tool, more about many tools, so you can let me know. I can check for that. Okay, so this can help you avoid accidental plagiarism and ensure the originality of the content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.